everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make dorayaki. Dorayaki is very traditional Japanese sweets. It's two small pancakes with bean jam inside. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need. 2 eggs, 60 grams sugar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 tablespoon mirin, 100 gram flour, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and some bean jam, as much as you like. Let's make the pancake dough first. 2 eggs in a large bowl. Sugar, 1 tablespoon mirin, 1 tablespoon honey into the bowl. And let's beat this until it's nice and airy. And here I'm shifting flour and baking powder. I'm mixing it, but I don't want to knead it, so fold it in, fold it in. And here I'm adding 4 tablespoons water. Let's give it a nice mix. Let it sit for 10 minutes to settle the bubbles and the pancake dough is ready to go. Heat up non-stick frying pan over low heat. Prepare plate to take the pancake out and damp paper towel to cover them so that they don't dry out. Let's put the dough into the frying pan. No oil needed. Take 1 tablespoon and pour it from high up. And wait until you start to see bubbles. Bubbles coming up, so let's flip them over. For the bottom side, just 30 to 45 seconds. Let's take them out on the plate. This is the top side, and this is the bottom side. Cover them with damp cloth so that they don't dry out. Clean the frying pan with dry paper towel. Just keep making the pancake until there is no dough left. Pancakes are ready, so let's cool it down to room temperature with this damp cloth on. Pancakes are room temperature, so let's sand this bean jam with 2 pancakes. Put some bean jam on this side, not this side of the pancake. Let's put the other pancake this way. Gently press. And dorayaki is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!